Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to buy Amazon returned items for cheap. This is a fantastic way to score amazing deals on products that have been returned or are overstock, often at significantly reduced prices. Let's dive right in and explore how you can take advantage of these hidden bargains. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all the features and make purchases seamlessly. After logging in, look towards the upper left panel of the screen where you'll see a menu icon labeled All with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that icon to expand the main navigation menu. This menu is your gateway to exploring various Amazon features and categories that aren't immediately visible on the homepage. Now scroll down through this menu until you spot a section called Programs and Features. Once you find it, click on See All to expand the complete list of available programs. This opens up a wealth of options that many shoppers overlook, including some fantastic money-saving opportunities. Continue scrolling down until you come across Amazon Outlet. Click on it to enter Amazon's dedicated outlet section. This is where you'll find discounted products, including overstock items and customer returns that are being sold at reduced prices. In the top menu of the outlet page, you'll see an option simply labeled Outlet. Click on it to start browsing through their extensive product list. You'll find everything from electronics to home goods, all offered at discounted rates compared to their regular retail prices. Additionally, you can explore Amazon Resale in the top menu. However, here's an important note to keep in mind. In some countries, Amazon doesn't fully enable Amazon Warehouse or resale listings. Instead, it may redirect you to informational pages rather than actual inventory. So if you're redirected to an info page, this feature might not be available in your region just yet. As you browse through the available products, take your time to find something that catches your eye. When you find a product you want, click on it to view the detailed product page. This page will give you all the information you need, including conditions, specifications, and pricing. Next, select your preferred color, size, and any other options that are available for that particular product. Make sure you're choosing exactly what you need before proceeding to checkout. Once you've made your selections, look to the right panel of the page and click Buy Now. This will take you directly to the checkout process, bypassing the cart for a faster purchase experience. Now select your delivery address from the options available. If you need to add a new address, you can do that here as well. Make sure the address is correct to avoid any delivery issues. After confirming your address, select your payment method, choose from your saved payment options, or add a new one if necessary. Finally, review all your order details one last time, then click Place Your Order to complete your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully bought Amazon returned items at a great discount. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.